Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm going to show you how I clean my greasy spokes. And I do this pretty quickly and efficiently. And let's get into this video right now. So if you look over here, there's a cassette over here that's greasy and oily. So what happens when your bike, when you ride your bike, that cassette spits the oil from it onto your spokes. If you look over here, there's a proof right here that there's some grease here. So in order to do this task, you will need some towel paper. There's a microfiber towel over here, so I'm gonna leave it here. And for now, I'm gonna take my trusty warm soapy water. I'm gonna just damp it a bit. So I just put some soapy water here, and you see I already tried it a bit, so let's show you. Okay, see? Okay, and look, there's quite a bit there. Now this one over here will show up, the one that's silver. These are black and silver. So I'm gonna just do two at the same time, and let me show you what I'm talking about. You see? Okay, let's get the camera. Okay, so let's see, I've done 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna put this guy aside. Okay, put it here. And I'm gonna take my white microfiber towel. And the reason why you wanna keep this handy, I wanna come back and get this water off. You don't want these spokes to oxidize. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go throughout the whole circle with the damp microfiber, this Kleenex. And you're gonna just dump it when you're done, and then to wipe off the any water spots over here, you're gonna use the microfiber towel. I'm gonna put links in the description where you can get these. So again, the Kleenex, microfiber towel, again, and then the any kind of sprayer, and that's how you clean your oily and greasy spokes. Hope you find this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.